Hello, in this segment, I want to talk to you about literature and calamities. First, literature. Machiavelli and Erasmus were two writers in this time frame that thought very differently about humanism. Of course, Machiavelli wrote the book called The Prince. In it, he talked to the ruler about the idea or the notion of virtue. Not necessarily that he should practice virtue, but that he should have the appearance of practicing virtue, and not necessarily let it tie him down when it came to him having to say what he meant. And Erasmus was a leader in the Catholic Church. He was a priest who used sarcasm in his book called In Praise of Folly to try to seek reformation within the church. Okay. Also, we have Gutenberg. Gutenberg's Bible, his movable type, brings about a revolution in printing, which really fuels the revolution that will come along later that is called the Reformation. Okay, so that's very important. Also, the Black Plague during the middle 1400s came along and was just decimated Europe. 1 out of 3 people died. Very tragic. Somewhere between 25 and 100 million people died, and it was 125 years before all of the thinkers and all of the labor force could be rebuilt back to carry on. Also, there was the 100 Years' War, the battles between England and France, which England eventually won, but it lasted and it went on and on and on, and it was also very devastating during this time in history.